if you're here, that means that you want to see something change in your life, that you want to see something be different. And you want to do it in a way that feels really good, in a way that you have confidence in where you're going and the direction of your life. So let's take a step back and talk about Jumpstart Your Life. What is this program? What are you going to get out of it, right? Well, first, I got to tell you why this program has my heart. So Jumpstart Your Life was born out of a place where I had so many people coming to me where they wanted to work with me for private one-on-one coaching, and the cost was too much for them. And that's okay. And not everyone can afford private one-on-one coaching. However, there was part of me that was hurting, just really hurting inside when I knew I wouldn't be able to help these people because I didn't have a program that would fit them. And so that's where Jumpstart Your Life is born from. It is affordable to anyone around the world, no matter what your finances are. It is affordable no matter what is going on in your life, no matter what transitions you're experiencing, especially during this time in our world right now. It's affordable for you, and you can choose to take this to jumpstart your life. So what is in Jumpstart Your Life? Well, you know what? Maybe you're feeling a lack of confidence. Maybe you're feeling like life isn't the way that you want it to be right now. Maybe you're feeling like beat down, thrown around, that your relationships aren't where where you want, and you guys are constantly feeling this level of conflict, or maybe there's no trust, or maybe your career, after working from home or whatever it is, maybe you realize that, you know what, this career isn't for me, or maybe you realize there's just got to be something more. I just want a vision. I just want purpose. I just want to know where I'm supposed to go and have a path to get there. And you can feel all of that. You can create all of that in Jumpstart Your Life, which is why it makes me so excited to be able to have this program for you to pursue that vision, pursue that life with confidence in a way that makes you feel happy and fulfilled, and like you're doing it in an authentic way to who you are and what you're about. So Jumpstart Your Life, what is it, right? So Jumpstart Your Life is a 30-day coaching program for women. So we spend 30 days together, we kick off the program, and I coach each one of you individually to kick off the program. And some of you might be like, I love the idea of coaching, but I'm kind of, I don't know how I feel about an actual coaching session because I've never done one. And that can be kind of scary, right? You know, the unknowns, trust me, it'll feel like you're on the couch with a glass of wine talking to your best friend, but actually making progress moving forward in your life. So it'll feel great. And then in the 30-day coaching program, we have weekly lessons every week where we dive into a new topic. And then there's a beautiful, intimate community of women where we support each other, we encourage each other. We have accountability in this group for the 4 weeks. And we also have a beautiful workbook. Actually, there's 2 workbooks. And it's a beautiful resource for you to take your life to the next level in the next 30 days to then make that change happen, to make it actually happen. Not just think about it, not just dream about it, but you're going to put everything into action. So when we've got this incredible group, we've got the weekly coaching sessions, we're kicking it off with your individual private coaching session. You've got accountability, you've got the support, you've got the tools. And then on top of all of that, you get to create the change that you want most. So if you find yourself saying, oh my goodness, I need this. Oh my goodness, I can't even go another day with the rhythm that my life is at. I need some certainty. I need to feel like I'm moving forward and making a difference, and that I have purpose and I know what my path is. You gotta join us then. That's a no-brainer. And the best part is, like I started out telling you, Jumpstart Your Life is affordable to anyone, no matter what your situation is. It's only $49. $49 for 4 incredible weeks. Week 1, we go through creating your vision, creating that sense of purpose, and why am I here in this world? Week 2 is all about finding a new way to explore goals and have goals with soul that feel good, and it doesn't feel like it's pushing you or pulling you, but it just feels good. And the 3rd week is all about the habits, the rituals, the routines that you need to establish to make those goals, make that vision happen. And then the 4th and final week is all about smashing that inner critic, those limiting beliefs, those fears that have been holding you back time after time from living out your best self, from being the truest expression of who you are and going after what you want in this world and experiencing this world in a beautiful state. And week 4 is all about creating that confidence that you need to feel great day in and day out and have the tools to get yourself to feeling back to great when you have those moments where you fall off the rails a little bit. Because believe me, it happens, but it's not that it'll never happen. It's the fact that you will have the tools to get out of that and get back into your state of confidence. So within those 4 weeks, those are the topics that we're diving into, and you can do that all for $49. That's less than $1.65 a day. That's less than your coffee. Can you believe it? I think it's worth it. I know it's worth it. And I know you're worth it. I know your life is worth it. And that you've been saying yes to so many other people right now in your life. You've been saying yes to so many other situations. And it's time you say yes to yourself and that you fill your own cup up and give yourself what you need so that you can be the best version of yourself for others, so that your whole life starts to transform when you are connected to your vision, your purpose, and what you want most, and doing it with this level of confidence and joy and feeling those ounces and sprinkles of fulfillment that then carry you out through the rest of 2020 in a beautiful, energetic state. So if you want to join us, you got to join us by Sunday. So Sunday is the very last day. We've already got a beautiful group of women together. And if you want to be a part of it, join us before Sunday at midnight. You got to hop into the registration link located below this video and save your spot so that you can be a part of everything that starts with Jumpstart Your Life on Tuesday, June 30th. And I can't wait to see you in this program, to connect with you, to be your coach. And with all of that, any questions you have, just let me know. Just email me. All my information is below. And I look forward to seeing you in Jumpstart Your Life.